Hi, I'm Father James Mallon from Divine Renovation Ministry in Halifax, Nova Scotia, and I'm very much looking forward to being in the Netherlands on March 2020 for the conference Missionaire, parochie, Als God, renoveert. I hope I got that right. I'm looking forward to being with you in Udenbosch, to be in your beautiful country. I've been there before, and I'm looking forward to coming back. Over the last number of years, I myself and members of our team have had the blessing to travel throughout the world, in parts of Asia, Africa, Latin America, all over Europe and North America. And as much as things are different and every single church has a unique context, one thing that really strikes us is that things are often the same. Parishes all over the world, parish leaders, pastors, lay leaders, we're struggling with the same reality. And that reality is that most of our pastoral methodology, our model, is based on a world that no longer exists. And a secular world is something that is not limited to the West. It indeed is moving across the globe. It's a global phenomenon. And parishes and parish leaders are struggling all over the world with how to change our methodology to meet this new reality. One of the great blessings over these last number of years is to be able to meet amazing men and women who are leading parishes and serving in parishes. And so many amazing, hardworking people experience a kind of frustration because in spite of their best efforts and their hard work and commitment, we still experience all too often that our methods are not working. And this is often heartbreaking. It's such a joy for us as we travel and go to different countries to be with men and women like you, to come together and to reflect on how we can begin to do things differently and what we can learn from one another. We often say to people, don't just copy what another church does, but understand the why behind that and take the why home with you and live out that why in your context. That's why we have such confidence that when we come together with open minds and open hearts and seeking the Lord's help, seeking the inspiration of the Holy Spirit, that we truly can learn to move our parishes towards mission. It's all too easy sometimes to quickly point out all the reasons why something may not work or all the possible obstacles. There are obstacles for sure. There are challenges. There are struggles. The work of parish renewal is difficult and it takes time. But we need to do it together, and we need to come together to encourage one another, to be encouraged, to be inspired. And that's exactly what we hope to achieve when we gather together in March of 2020. So I hope that you can make it. I hope that you can bring your parish leaders with you. And please pray in preparation for that event. All the people who are working hard to make it happen. But please pray especially that the right people will be there and that people will gather with expectant faith, with open minds and open hearts. God bless you all. Thank you.